Idiya Lancaster is a premium food trailer kitted out ready for you to start your business. It's bright, it's bold, and it has everything you'll need. The main service window has hydraulic arms, making it really easy to lift. It also has LED spotlights and an outer bench that is collapsible. The interior of the Lancaster has loads of features. One of these being the large double-door fridge with the option of a removable shelf. A lockable cash drawer. All of the bench tops are made from a 304 food grade steel for a hygienic workspace. Plenty of underbench storage. The non-slip aluminium floors have a check design for extra grip and also has a drain. A pull-out trash bin. Double sinks with a hot water cylinder above. It has an oil and water separator, as well as drainage for both freshwater and wastewater. The interior is made from 304 mirrored steel, which, as you can see, not only looks great, but it's hygienic, aesthetic, and creates a sense of space. Single axle with spring damping and electromagnetic brakes. On the front of the A-frame you'll find the transportation cupboard where you can keep gas bottles or use for extra storage.